See, in spirituality also, there are values. What do you value? Do you value external things? My guru smiled at me. Or do you value the real thing? I got the grace. Just because we have turned from the material to the spiritual doesn't mean that we've got all the right values. Even there, we need to establish the proper values. What is really important? He said, if I want to attain God, I need a guru. Because he had studied the Vedic scriptures in his childhood itself. And the Vedas are very clear. Tad vijnanartham sa gurumeva vigachet samitpane shrotriyam brahmanishtham. The Mundaka Upanishad states that to know God, sa gurumeva vigachet. Go to the shelter of a guru. Tasmad gurum prapadyeta jigyasushreye uttamam shabde parecha nishnatam brahmanyupashamashrayam. Vedvyas writes in the Bhagavad that find a guru who is Shabde and Pare, who knows the theoretical knowledge and has practically realized it. Then through that guru you can also attain God. So on one side this aspiration arose, on the other side Vallabhacharya, the founder of Pushti Marg. He is also known by his followers as Mahaprabhu Vallabhacharya. He happened to come to Braj. And Surdas heard the excitement. He said, what is all the kirtan, etc. that's going on? They said, Vallabhacharya is arriving along with his disciples. Surdas said, this is tremendous. He came to know that Vallabhacharya will be in a village called Runakta. He said, all right, then I will go and have his darshan. People said, what is the point? You are blind. You can't even have his darshan. What is the point of going? Surdas said, the importance is not that I see him. The importance is that he sees me. That I get his grace. That is the important thing. See, in spirituality also, there are values. What do you value? Do you value external things? My guru smiled at me. Or do you value the real thing? I got the grace. Just because we have turned from the material to the spiritual doesn't mean that we've got all the right values. Even there, we need to establish the proper values. What is really important? A blind person used to go to the temple 3 kilometers every day for darshan. And somebody said, you can't even see God. Then why do you go for darshan? He said, doesn't matter. God can see me. God knows that I am putting in all this effort and He is blessing me. So what each sadhak truly needs is the blessings of God and Guru. Surdas said, I'll go there, I'll receive the blessings. Now when he arrived, there was a crowd. Vallabhacharya was sitting. And Vallabhacharya called him out from the crowd, come here. When he came and sat in front, Vallabhacharya said, I heard you sing nice bhajans, people have told me. Why don't you sing one? Surdas, on being instructed by the great Guru, he said, well, what bigger good fortune seva can there be? So he sings this very famous bhajan.
Prabhu more avaguna chitna dharo प्रभु मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो, प्रभु मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो, समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो, चाहे तो पार करो।
Let's all clap.
चित न धरो, प्रभु मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। एक लोहा पूजा में राखत, एक घर बधिक पर्यो, सो दुविधा पारस नहीं जानत, ओ दुविधा पारस नहीं जानत, कंचन करत खरो, अवगुण चित न धरो, प्रभु मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। एक नदिया एक नार कहावत, मैं लोही नीर भरियो, जब मिल कर के एक भरन भय, जब मिल कर के एक भरन भय, सुरसरी नाम पर्यो, अवगुण चित धरो, प्रभु मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो। एक माया एक ब्रह्म का भावत, सूर श्याम झगरो, एक माया एक ब्रह्म कहावत, सूर श्याम झगरो, अब की बेर मोहे पार उतारो, अब की बेर मोहे पार उतारो, नहीं पन जात डरो, नहीं पन जात डरो, अवगुण चित न धरो, प्रभु मोरे अवगुण चित न धरो।
Vallabhacharya liked it and said, sing another one. And he sang again a bhajan of Dainya in humbleness, crying out to God. Vallabhacharya said, sing another one. Again he said, oh Lord, I am so patit, so fallen, you are so kind, please bless me. Vallabhacharya said, this is all very good. This is an aspect of bhakti, humbleness. Why don't you sing about the glories of Sri Krishna? Why don't you sing his pastimes? Surdas said, I know nothing of the Leelas of Sri Krishna. Vallabhacharya said, all right, I'll make them known to you. Go and take a bath in the river and come. Surdas took a bath. Vallabhacharya has written a tika, commentary on the Bhagavatam, Subodhini. So he said, come over. He would, in the 10th canto, he opened the index to the 10th canto, took Surdas's finger and made him slide it down. And as he would slide one entry, Vallabhacharya would say, "What do you see now?" Surdas would say, "I am seeing the Nanda Utsav happening in Gokul." "What do you see now?" "I am seeing Krishna in Yashoda's lap." "And what are you seeing now?" "I am seeing Krishna tied to the mortar wheel." So Vallabhacharya made him experience all the Leelas. Surdas said, "Gurudev, I am surrendered to you. Give me the instruction." Vallabhacharya said, "Come with me." He took him to Govardhan. In Govardhan, there was a mandir of Srinath Ji. So Srinath Ji, who is presently Nath Dwara, originally he was discovered from under the hill. He came in the dream of Madhavendra Puri. So Madhavendra Puri got him out, got the Pran Pratishtha or the puja done through the villagers, and subsequently Madhavendra Puri left the world. And Srinath Ji came in the dream of Vallabhacharya and said, "I am up there, start my puja." So that is how Vallabhacharya came to take care of Srinath Ji Mandir. He took Surdas and brought him to the temple in front of Srinath Ji Bhagwan. And then he said, "Prabhu, give darshan to Surdas." The question arises, how do you get darshan of God? How do you get darshan of God? There's only one answer: when He graces you. The Yajur Veda says, "Tasya no rasva, tasya no dhehi." Without His grace, nobody can get His darshan. Unless you anoint yourself in the prasad of the lotus feet of the Supreme, there is no way you can see Him. All the acharyas have exalted this point of grace. Even Shankaracharya says, "Dhanyoham kritakrityoham vimuktoham bhavagrahat nityananda swarupoham purnoham tvad anugrahat." I have become blessed by grace. Dattatreya Avadhut, he says, "Ishvara anugrahadesha punsa madvaita vasana." And Sureshwaracharya says, "Ishvara anugrahenapi swatma bodho yatha bhavet." Vallabhacharya himself says, "Pushti margo anugrahaika sadhya." This Pushti marg, the basis of it is anugraha or grace. And Nimbargacharya says, "Yat kripa anadimaya pariyukta rupam tvenam vidurvai bhagavat prasadat." By God's grace, Maya will go. Even the writer of Mimamsa Darshan, Jaimini, he says, "Yat kripa lesha matrena purusharthat chatushtayam prapyate tamaham vande govindam bhaktavatsalam." The biggest acharyas in the last 5,000 years, they are all saying that the supreme goal is attained by grace. So Vallabhacharya requested Srinath Ji. Surdas was Adhikari. Srinath Ji bestowed him divine darshan and he could see the Lord. Externally he was blind. Internally his eyes had opened. So these are the spiritual eyes. You have so many people, they are respectfully called Pragya Chakshu, because the physical eyes are not working, but the eyes of knowledge, Jnana Chakshu, Shastra Chakshu, the eyes of the scriptures, they are able to see so much through that divine vision. In the case of Surdas, he got Divya Chakshu. Vallabhacharya said, "Your seva is to sing and please Srinath Ji." So Surdas started Now he had darshan, and look what he sings. He says, my Lord, by your grace, the lame is able to cross over the mountain. The dumb is able to speak. So the deaf is able to hear. You can make the impossible possible. Then what is the big deal if you are able to give darshan to a blind person like me?